Hello and welcome once again to this channel, Forex with Otabo. I trust you've been keeping safe and compliment of the season to you out there. So in today's video, I'll be quickly showing you a very simple strategy, how to use the Stochastic Oscillator, which is an indicator, how to use it to make some great entries. This is highly recommended for scalpers or an intraday traders. So I'm going to show you how to use this to make good entries and also when to exit a trade. So I'm going to show you how to set it up with the same setup on your Android device and your iOS device. So I'm quickly going to show you. I believe you know how to set up the RSI, Relative Strength Index, for you to have come this far with me. And so it's almost the same process. Just go in and you add it up to your chart. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, this is Otabo, and I share Forex content from free beginners class to the advanced level of Forex trading. Feel free to check out that videos in the channel, and do not hesitate to subscribe. Remember, if you've seen this video, hit that subscribe icon. It's totally free to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I release new videos. So getting to the main discussion of today, so let me quickly show you how to add this and use this amazing indicator. So I'm going to show you this. Let's quickly set it up. So you're going to hit the F. You can see the F icon above and right in the middle of the screen. You hit that F icon and then you tap your main screen and then you scroll down till you see the Stochastic Oscillator. Can you see it? The Stochastic Oscillator. So you click and then you add it up. You're done. You click done. Set it at default. Your levels, make it 20 and 80. If your level is at 30 and 70, I advise you change it to 20 and 80, so you can have extremes. If you remember what the 20 and the 80 levels are, 20 is the oversold, while 80 level is the overbought. So at these levels, you expect to see reversals. So going quickly, let's add that up, and then boom, we are good here. Here we have this indicator. We have the indicator here, so we're good to go. So without wasting much time, let me show you how it works. It's simple. Red cross green, green cross red. That is it. That's just how you pick your entry. So when the green line crosses the red from underneath, especially when it has gone far below the 20 level, you expect it to buy from there. So when it is oversold, when the green line crosses the red line from beneath, when it is below the 20, you get in on a buy. You can see this here. You can see at this point this crossover happened. This is what happened. It was the point, and then you could have bought, and then you got some many pips, and then what happens? You close at the other cross. So when this cross happened, which is around here, you close the trade. It's that simple. And I'm going to use this same pair to illustrate to you for a sell. So you can see what happened here. At this point, way above the 80 level, market was overbought. So you're going to have gravity, you're going to have price sell-off. So red crosses the green at this point, and this point is this point. So you could have gotten in on a sell, and boom, loads of profit. This was over 130 pips, and then you exit when the red crosses the green from below. Very easy to use. All pairs, you can find it in all pairs. It's that easy to use. Just crossover. You can see this. Could have sold here, which is this point, and then close when this happened, which is this point. So always make sure you wait for that overbought and oversold conditions. Now I also have to mention to you, very important, do not use any strategy in isolation. As I've always said in my videos, make sure you try and use this as further confirmations, resistance and support, trend lines, and the rest of them. Use them, Fibonacci, use them as further confirmation. So you can see this resistance zone. When this happened, you can see this what happened here on this resistance zone here. When this crossover happened, I would have been confident to sell this because it happens on a resistance zone. So do not use any strategy in isolation. That's what I've always said. So guys, that's it. Very pretty easy to use. That is the oscillator indicator, how to use it to get great entries. So that'll be it for now. From me to you, I'm saying please stay safe and compliment of the season to you.